Namaste.
Welcome
Namaste.
to our cooking channel.
Welcome to our
आज एबाले के
cooking
बनाउन
channel.
लागेको आज के बनाउन लाग्यो एबा
Popsicle.
पप्सिकल
आजकल यी गर चीज गरिदियो बा चीज गरिदियो यसरी चीज ल बनाऊ लेट्स
ल
गो
ल
ल निकाल
अब एबाले स्पुनले निकालेर त्यसमा एभोकाडो हाल्छ फर्स्टमा
सबै
है
निकाल
ल
सबै निकाल
हाल्दिनुस्
निकाल यसमा हाल यसमा गर पहिला यसमा गर ट्राई दिस वान फर्स्ट दुईटा हात एउटा हात
दुईटा हातले समात्ने ओ गुड
धेरै।
जब एबाले फर्स्ट चोटि बनाउन लाग्यो नि
ल ल गुड
ल
जब
हाल्दिनुस्
पर्फेक्ट
जब नेक्स्ट वान
नेक्स्ट वान ल यु डन
एउटा हातले समात्नुस् एउटाले समात्नुस् होइन होइन एउटाले एभोकाडो समात न भा
उसको हातले पुग्दैन ठिक छ ठिक छ ठिक छ ठिक छ ल यहाँ ल त्यसरी सबैको निकाल यसरी यसरी हाल्ने या गरेर यस्तो गरेर हाल
हाल्दिनुस्
यसरी यहाँ 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 हाल यसरी ये समातेर छ ल गुड जब यो पनि खै लेट मी हेल्प यु ओके we are going to make a avocado
Popsicle.
yeah this recipe belongs to kasको arbitrary flavor सलिना आन्टीको ल ल we are going to make a popsicle avocado popsicle Eva loves avocado right Eva Eva loves avocado it's healthy popsicle right yeah come on popsicle so we are having 2 avocados right okay and then what we need to do first
Scoop it up.
we need to scoop it out yeah good job Eva here we go perfect this is the last one let's do
Okay.
this is the last one come on let me help you okay yeah hi Sala no yala this
Okay.
is a big avocado look
Okay.
here you go perfect yay we did it man.
We did it.
अब त्यो दिनु
let's trash this one okay
We need other one.
yeah so what we need next
We need
Coconut
strawberry.
so let's
त्यो एक त्यसरी हेर्नु कप छ नि त यहाँ डेढ कप हाल्नु दिनुहोस् त मलाई त्यो ट्रास बनाउनु
here's the trashing answer let's do the trash over here come on now you kids we need 2 cup of what is this 1.5 cup of what is this
Sweet.
coconut milk
Coconut milk.
this is coconut milk you see what is this is coconut okay यहाँ के गर्ने यहाँ यसरी 1.5 cup of coconut milk ल खानु यहाँ
Sweet.
you have to pour over here slowly yep perfect yeah perfect you need one more okay
हाफ कप
Half
मोर
cup. perfect ल खानु आफै खानु एउटा
गुड जब
ये what is this Eva
Coconut.
coconut के हो
Milk.
coconut milk yeah good job high five good job now what do you need
Honey.
what is this
Honey.
this is wildflower honey okay let's squeeze this honey
इन्टु अ स्पुन
spoon मा राख्नु spoon मा यहाँ next spoon थापो how many spoon we need this honey
2, 4 food.
4 spoon is that true Salina aunty?
yes
oh Eva knows already okay perfect ल हनी कस्तो हुन्छ एवा गुलियो हुन्छ यहाँ राख ल वाउ यस्तो गरेर 1 spoon
And 2 spoons.
let's put more okay hold this one Eva is going to have her favorite popsicle yeah perfect ल हाला यसमा ल नपोकिकन yeah 2 spoon okay समात्दा फेरि hold this one Perfect. Lala. 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 Okay. 3 spoon, right? Now we need 1 more spoon.
No, I'm done.
You're done? No, we need 4 spoon, okay? Last one. Oh, what happened to your hat? Oh no, we need some assistant. Look. Look. Thank you, na?
Thank you.
Perfect. So we got all 4 spoon of avocado. No, all 4 spoon of honey. Honey bunny. Perfect.
1 spoon of sugar.
Sugar पनि चाहिन्छ रे. So many sweets. You like sweets, Eva? You like sweets? Okay, perfect. Let's put 1 spoon. यहाँ spoon राख. Sugar राख.
त्यो दुईटा हाल्दिनु त्यसको त्योबाट चाहिँ दुईटा.
टन्न. यहाँ राख. Good job. Put it here. Perfecto. Perfecto.
One more, Eva.
1 more spoon. Perfecto.
Good job.
Thank you. That's it. This is the last one. This is the last spoon, okay? Thank you, Eva. Yay, we did it, Ivana.
1/4 cup of lime juice.
Lime juice. We have lime juice over here.
1/4 one. The option is that.
We have this cup, right? 1/4. It's here. We have to put lemon. 1/4 cup of lemon. Let's squeeze the lemon, okay? Shall I squeeze?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, go! No?
Go.
Yeah! Come on. Yeah! We did it. I think we need 1 more.
1/4 spoon is there.
Oh, la voy a leer Yay! We got it. Let's put this one over here. Okay, you need paper towel? Let me put the paper towel. Give you a paper towel. Okay, hold on. Do. Yang wipe ganyan paper towel mo ganyan ta. Okay? Bakano la. You kanong iba? You kanong? You know person here.
Done,
Safe
done.
one is safe. Done. Last.
We're almost done, Eva.
And popsicle, 100% popsicle. Yay! You're happy, Eva? Happy? Happy face? So happy face? Happy face? Come on. Yay!
We got honey.
We got honey, we got lemon, we got avocado, we got coconut milk, right? So what is this?
किरण यता हेर्नु त.
Yes, sir.
एवा
Yeah, cheers, Gara. Cheers, Gara.
यता हेर्नु मलाई हेर्नु.
Cheers, Gara.
भक्कले.
Now you raha.
ल लास्ट
Now,
वान.
this is coconut
Grated
powder.
coconut.
Coconut gradient, la.
ल done. Good job. Now
What
now
will
what
you do?
will you do, Eva?
Let's grind it.
Let's grind it.
Let's
Yes.
grind it. Yes, we can do it, Mana.
We can do this.
Come on. We have a big grinder over here. Let's grind it. Okay? You want to press? Press करेंगे. Let me do
अलि
this
त
one.
साइडमा हाल्दिनु अलिकति साइडमा हाल्दिनु त होइन होइन बिचमा उसको फेस छेक्यो के त
Yeah, okay, I got you.
ल ओके
ले आओ. ले यहाँ क्लिक करा.
गुड जॉब
Yeah. Let's flip this one. Yeah, I'm gonna make it. Wow, yeah, good job. Let's do this one. Okay. Okay, hold on. Let's try to here mix. Okay. Let's try to mix it. We have to mix it properly, okay? Okay, here we go. Sit down, Eva. Yay, you did it. for him. Yay, we did it.
We did it. Now taste it if we like the flavor or not. If not, we'll add some more.
Sugar.
Yes.
Let's try to taste one more time, okay? You want to taste, Eva?
No.
Huh? You don't want to taste?
No.
So flavored, so tasty, isn't it?
I have to mix.
You want to mix? Okay. Eva wants to mix it properly, okay? Okay, mix it well, okay?
I have to mix my lava.
Perfect. And you need to taste also the flavor, you know? How is the taste?
No.
You need to taste. Let me taste them.
Let Papa taste.
Okay? Shall I taste?
Yes.
कुले पुग्दैन होला कि?
उसले पुग्छ
मिठो
ठिक्क छ मलाई त
मिठो भयो? ग्रेटेड कोकोनटको पनि फ्लेभर आइरहेको छ कि हाल्नुपर्छ हजुर?
पर्दैन ठिक छ एकदम मलाई ठिक्क लाग्यो
ल ल
इट्स सो मच टेस्टी हेबा इट्स सो मच टेस्टी यु गरिदिनु खाऊ त यु हुन्छ वाउ हुन्छ सो मच टेस्टी खाऊ हेर होइन यु छ यु छैन It's a popsicle. It's going to be popsicle. We have to put.
Okay.
No, यहाँ गर्नु न This. मलाई नकली अब यहाँ राख्नु त्यहाँ यहाँ राख्नु यसमा राख्नु ल Now we have to pour this into this popsicle. What is this? Popsicle? के भन्छ यसलाई? Popsicle?
मोल्ड
Mold रे mold.
No.
ये ल अब यो कसरी बनाउने?
त्यसै एउटा यतिकै खनाउनु त्यहीबाट सिधै अनि भरि भएछ
यो खजान्छ यो?
जान्छ मजा जान्छ मजाले पातलो बनाएको हुन्छ
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
40.
14, 15,
30.
16, 17, 18. Yay, we did it, huh?
90.
6वटादेखि 8वटा बन्नुपर्ने हो दुध अलिक कम भयो क्या
Then what we are going to do Eva, after this, we have to put it in the refrigerator and we have to freeze it for at least 3 hours and then it will be ready to eat. Oh no, danger. Now put this away. Danger, okay? Okay Eva?
Why is danger?
Damn, it's in the हातमा काट्नु सक्छ नि त It's danger, okay?
कतिवटा बन्यो
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
अरू केवटा बन्नु पर्ने 6वटा टोटल हुनुपर्ने
ठिकै छ
त्यसरी गर्नु भएन हुन्छ
What you made Eva?
Popsicle.
Wow, you like it?
काटी काट्छु क्या
So boxy.
ए ल
बसेको बेलादेखि
Where's
मुठो
no
बेला
popsicle in here?
Huh?
There's no popsicle in here.
I think we can have one more. Let's see. Let's put it over here also, okay? Okay.
I am mixing some.
This recipe we got it from Kamara, arbitrary flavors.
I will do
Arbitrary flavors rock.
I will do first.
Rock. Yay! यो हनी सिंह गर्दैन
त्यसलाई मिठो लाग्दा
Rock, scissors.
पर्फेक्ट छ
Rock, scissors, paper. Rock, scissors, paper.
यो यो गर न
ल भयो ल
प्याक गरिदिनुहोस्
Rock,
तपाईँ
scissors.
अगाडि राख्नुहोस्
त्यो हाल्नु परेन यो
Scissors, paper.
पहिला
Rock,
पहिला
scissors, paper.
त्यो हाल्ने अनि माथिबाट
कि पहिले यो हालेर माथि
होइन होइन
यो डाइरेक्ट हाल्ने यो हाल्ने यसमा यो त Let's put this one. Come on, Eva, you put this one like this.
Where?
त्यहाँ
Here,
त्यहाँ आइसक्रिम भएको पक्सिकल
one by one. Perfect. You did it. One more. Oh no.
It's okay, it's okay. We have more.
Come on. Yeah, you got it. You got it, baby.
सब त्यो उसको Last
Alright.
one.
We need 2 more.
2 more.
Yep. Thank you. Yeah, and the last one. Here you go. Ta-da! We are done. Thank you. Namaste. Garde. Namaste.
We have other one here.
Yeah, we are all done.
बंद कर दूं?
Mm-hmm.
We'll come back after 3 hours bana, to check on the popsicles bana.
We'll back soon, man.
We're back soon.
Okay?
Okay, bye कर दे, bye कर दे यार.
Bye.
Bye. See ya.
Bye.
Love ya.
Bye, everyone.
Bye everyone.
Like, share, and subscribe. No?
Like.
Itu important ya, itu rahniya. Mana? Eva. Like, share, and subscribe. No? Like, share, and subscribe. No? And
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
like, share, and
Bye.
subscribe.
1, 2, 3, go.
La la la.